I'm Joel Lee, entrepreneur and permaculture teacher and advocate. I ride a bike because many times it is faster than a car when traveling in the city. And I am in favor of bike lanes because it is part of smart urban design. You cannot solve the traffic by having more roads for more cars, but instead the solution is to have alternative mobility options. Among them, walking, mass transit, and most importantly, biking.
Sa mga trabahante, kinahanglang magdaginot firme.
We fight for family bonding and healthy living. We need bike lanes in order for our children to have a safer road since we bike twice a week.
Silag maka-eskwela, daghan ang mga bisikleta,
We bike with scrap, we bike cheap, we bike for creativity. We demand bike lanes. Again, we demand bike lanes!
Sunod karong pagtigom na kaysa karbon na ay barato.
We spend hours and hours working in front of computers, and on our day offs or rest days, all we do is either party or sleep. Call center agents and those working in BPO industries do not have enough time to go to gym and work out. Biking helps us shape out those unwanted fats and keep ourselves physically fit. Also, the bike parkings in our office buildings are for free. Biking not only helps us keep ourselves physically fit, it also helps us save money.
Sila nag-computer maghapon, pagkadaghang buhaton, kalawasan, baya at imanon.
I bike because I suffered a milestone years ago. When I started biking, my health is okay. I save a lot of medicines. Especially our city hospital is not operational, so you better bike.
Ang lawas niyo mubagtok at tritison, muog at akihon.
I ride bikes for social change and equality. It's not about the size of the cars or how deep our pockets are, but it's how we utilize the road and share the road with dignity with other road users. That's what critical mass is about, and we demand bike lanes now.
Kitang mga Cebuano, bisikleta na ang ating gamito.
We are the psychology volunteers on bikes.
We started the bike awareness campaign,
and we are now in our second year.
Hi, I'm Monica Manulio. I write to enlighten, empower, and engage the youth to get away from their computer screens and start using their talent, time, and passions towards saving the environment.
Hi, I'm Mishka. I bike for the planet to stop climate change and encourage others to do the same.
Hi, I'm Edna. I bike for the future. I pedal for sustainability so that we will have a future that we can give to the next generation.
It's time for bike lanes in Cebu.
Bisikleta sa kong nanay, may karga na kamunggay, nigugot akong tatay, kay gusto pod mo sakay. Bisikleta kong karaan, kabilin pa sa apuhan, ako dyan iampingan, mudagan pa bisag daan. Tindak sugbo, magbisikleta kitang